Hi, this is Joshua from Daddy Mobile. This is the new OPPO R17 Pro that announced last week, and I'll be doing a quick unboxing and hands-on of this new device. The box is in gradient purple-blue colors. First, you see the OPPO R17 Pro. Let's put the device aside and see what's inside the box. It comes with a blue tin TPU case, documentation, SIM injector pin, USB Type-C earphone, SuperVOOC Flash Charge USB Type-C cable, and the 50-watt power brick. The display is standing at 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel. It has the same water drop notch display as the OPPO F9. It's protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 to make it tougher against scratches and drop. On the back, you'll be grayed with a beautiful matte grading glass. On the different angle, you may see an S-shaped shimmer. The purple to blue gradient is called Radiant Mist. There are three main cameras on the rear. First, the bottom is a 20 megapixel secondary camera that does zoom and help to create depth of field. The middle is the 12 megapixel primary camera that has dual aperture. It switches between f1.5 to f2.4 depending on lighting condition. Finally, on the top is the TOF sensor, or they call it time of flight, that lets you create a 3D model real-world object. It can also be used as an AR gaming and assist on better low-light photo taking. The selfie cameras on the water drop has a 25 megapixel sensor, and it also used to unlock the phone. Speaking of unlocking the phone, the OPPO R17 Pro has an in-display fingerprint scanner. The upper mid-range device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 710, 8GB of RAM, and plentiful of 128GB onboard storage. The device has two batteries with 1850 mAh battery. Combined, you will get a 3700 mAh battery. According to OPPO, this is the safest way for charging. We will have a comprehensive review of the OPPO R17 Pro very soon on our official website, daddymobile.com. The OPPO R17 Pro is available for pre-order now at $2699. Thank you for watching, and do consider subscribe to our small YouTube channel. And follow us on social media to get the latest Malaysia tech update. I'm Joshua Wong. Thank you for your time.